Following are the steps involved in action of toxin in Bt cotton. Okay. Choose the correct sequence of steps from the options given below. So we have to put it in the right sequence. So the first statement will be either E, B, A and B. So read A, B, E statements. The inactive toxin converted into active form due to alkaline pH of gut of insect. B is Bacillus thuringiensis produces crystals with toxic insecticidal protein, and E is the toxin protein exists as inactive protoxins in bacteria. So it looks like B will be the first statement. The toxin is first produced and it is produced as inactive protoxin. This is 2. So B and 2, B and E, B and E is seen in option number 4. So this will be the answer. Yes, so this is the answer. So next statement in the right sequence will be C. Alkaline pH solubilizes the crystal. This is 3. Then fourth is A. Inactive toxin converted into active form due to alkaline pH of gut of insect. Yes, this is correct. And last one is D. Once it is in active form, the activated toxin binds to the surface of midgut cells, creates spores and causes death of insect. So this is really good question and it kind of summarizes the action of the toxin, Bt toxin. So for our understanding, let me just write down these points here. Bt cotton. First one, what the name of the organism is Bacillus thuringiensis. It produces the toxin. Then second point is the toxin produced is in inactive form, which is called protoxin. The precursor of toxin is protoxin. Then third point will be when it is ingested by the pest, alkaline pH is going to solubilize the crystals. So these are in the crystal form. Protoxin is in the crystal form. Crystal. So crystals are solubilized. Solubilized in alkaline pH. So in the alkaline, in the soluble form, the inactive protoxin becomes active toxin. And since this is happening in the gut, this active toxin will immediately bind to the gut epithelial cells. This is going to create pores in the cells. And because of it, the cells swell up. And finally, cells will burst. Therefore, the pest dies. So this is how we can say that Bt toxin has insecticidal properties. This is the mechanism. So see, you have to be extremely careful. You should remember at what pH the toxin is solubilized and where it happens. It happens in the gut. The target of the toxin will be epithelial cells, and the cells dies due to perforations, and these pores will cause swelling and therefore bursting of epithelial cells. The organism is Bacillus thuringiensis. So that's all about this topic. Thank you so much for watching my video.